Hi Year 10, welcome to Spoken Language Lesson 4. You can see from our objective and picture that we are looking at how to incorporate pathos into our speech. So we've already looked at ethos and you've already started collecting those 3 stages. So hopefully from the picture you can recognise that pathos is all about how to put emotion into your speech. So to give you a little bit more detail about pathos, it is considered the most powerful persuasive technique because pathos is about the art of causing feelings in people, creating a feeling of sadness or sympathy or anger, anything that you really want your audience to connect with. And if people connect on an emotional level, it's found to be a lot more persuasive. So how do we do that? How do we appeal to our emotions? We can use anecdotes, personal stories. We can use emotive language. Now you can see that in the adjectives used, and you can also see that in noun choices, and you can see that in verb choices as well. Opinions, strong opinions as well, usually stated as facts. Using the 5 senses, what might you see, hear, etc. Descriptive language, as we've talked about. Tone, the way that you actually speak, lowering your tone, softening your tone, can make it sound more sympathetic. And images as well. So if you have a look at the Oxfam advert that you can see on this page here, you can see that they have used an image. And again, that's quite an emotional image because of the bones, and interesting that they have, they've left the face blank. So if you look at some of the features that they're using to create pathos there, it's not an attractive look, is it? Then we've got that opinion, and they've used the word attractive. And look at the ellipsis, that adds to that moment of thought. It's encouraging the reader to think about it, to be in this image's shoes. And then they use that rhetorical question, and reader, what if it was you? And that's the hard hitting bit, isn't it? So interesting there, it's not on my bullet point list, but this one specifically has used reader, rhetorical question, image, the ellipsis. So there's lots of different features that you can pull out from examples. And I'd like you to do that as your first task for this, please. So I'd like you to label some of the forecast features or any other extra features that you spot that try and create pathos, that might try and make you feel angry, sad, sympathetic, upset. What do they use? How do they create it? So for example, there straight away, we've got that list of 3. And all you're going to do is label them and draw lines around the outside, okay? So you're going to do it for this one as well, and also this one. So there is 3 for you to do.